Why is the DLAB important? The Defense Language Aptitude Battery, or DLAB, is a crucial test for anyone looking to enter the field of military linguistics. Well, it helps the military find individuals who have a natural ability to pick up new languages quickly. This test measures your potential to learn a foreign language, which is a critical skill in many military roles. This ability is essential in roles like military linguistics or intelligence analysis, where understanding and interpreting foreign languages can be a key part of the job. Mastering a foreign language can significantly enhance your effectiveness in these positions, making you an invaluable asset to your team and mission. So, if you're aiming for a linguistics role in the military, the DLAB is your gateway test. It's the first step in a challenging but rewarding journey. The DLAB not only assesses your current language skills, but also your ability to learn new ones, which is crucial for adapting to various missions. Understanding the purpose of the DLAB can motivate you as you prepare. Good luck and thanks for watching.